Who's ready for a drop top? Little summertime fun. 2007 Pontiac Solstice, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed actual miles, 20,837 is all in this one. Of course, a 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front fascia and see the paint shows well on this one. I believe Pontiac considered this aggressive red, which I also believe is the same paint code as Victory Red, Chevrolet Corvette color. Polished wheels. Check out the still pictures. You can be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, storage compartment in the rear, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those pics are. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. You can also call us 507-386-1726. As we look down the passenger side, you can see the paint shows well. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Ebony interior. Center console with that 5-speed. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Interior's in as nice a shape as the exterior. Of course, manual convertible top, simple to put up and down. One person can do it in less than a minute. I will demonstrate that before the video is over here too. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I guess I shouldn't say we. We'll let Jason do that. He's the lucky one that gets to drive these. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like these Pontiac Solstices, maybe you just are into cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles that are spotlighted in them are available to purchase on our website or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, driver's side also in as nice a shape as the passenger side, all the way around. Well taken care of car. Technicians did note as far as brakes too, they're 90% or better at all 4 corners. So it's one of those cars, turn the key in and go, have some fun. Modern amenities, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Take a look at the seating surface too. I mean, it is hardly worn. Interior looks like brand new. Steering wheel controls, as you can see, for radio, information center. Cruise control over on this side, so you do have cruise, and I did mention AC. AM, FM, CD player, 5-speed manual. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay too. All right, make sure we're in neutral. Let's close the door. I want to show you the miles. There it is, 20,837. You can see the tach is working. There's no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just that seatbelt warning since I don't have it on. Stereo is in working order.
Think about who's all be there. It's gonna be a room.
Nice stereo on them too. AC blows cold. Dash in good shape. No surprises on the interior of this one, that's for sure. Same with the passenger seat. It doesn't show much wear at all. Slip run, so you can hear this one run. Very stock sounding. I've not noticed any modifications on it. These cars are fun to drive. They handle like they're on rails. They have plenty of power for their weight. And best of all, put the top down and enjoy. course, the clamshell style hood, similar to the C4 Corvettes, I guess, if you will. Check out the hood liner, nice and clean. You can tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather. Then look at how clean this engine bay is. And all your modern amenities. And wow, this is as clean as a whistle underneath here. Wow. Sounds good. Looks good. A lot of life left in this car. And remember, clean Carfax, just a little over 20,000 miles is all. I don't know what more you'd want. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I'll close up this hood. I wanna show you how the convertible top gets folded up. And I'll also show you it going back down after we check out the condition of it. So give me a second. I'm gonna fold this top up, get the camera mounted on a tripod, show you how this works. Again, very simple, one person to do. And the convertible top up. So as you can see, folds up very easily, one person, pretty simple to do. Side glass up, nice tight fit. Also above the windshield, good fit. So black fabric top. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes really anywhere in this at all. Obviously, having one of these cars, you're probably not going to have that top up a whole lot. But if you need it up to keep you dry or maybe out of the sun, want the AC on, not a problem. Glass rear window with the rear defog. Passenger side glass, also a nice fit. So no surprises there. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, obviously with the clean Carfax, low miles. It's going to drive out nice, no doubt about that. I will show you how the top folds back down. Very simple to do also. So there you go. 2007 Pontiac Solstice. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2007 Pontiac Solstice. This is a convertible with the top down today, and we have a 5-speed manual transmission right here on the center console. For more fun driving, like a new Solstice, in my opinion. The odometer's showing just over 20,000 miles. Factory stereo sounds great. Great condition interior, great condition exterior. If you've been looking for a Solstice, this is a good one. Our gauges are working as they should. This is a smaller car, but I am 6'1" and I fit just fine in this car. Pontiac, in my opinion, has always been great about ergonomics and comfortability. Combined with the sportiness of this little car, makes for a fun package. We'll stay in third for this roundabout, get a little bit of G-force. Handles really good, grips the road, hardly any leaning. These cars are so fun to drive, they're so small and nimble. And this one's in excellent condition. Find out more and look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.